तुम लोगों को याद है इन अ ट्राइंगल सम ऑफ टू साइड्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड। मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूं ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ये है, तो पहले सुन लो कि तुम सबको पता है कि ये अगर कोई ट्राइंगल हुआ, इसका लेंथ ए, इसका बी, इसका सी हुआ ना, तो कोई भी अगर तुम ए बी को चूज करोगे तो वो हमेशा थर्ड से ग्रेटर होता है। अगर सोचो कि बी एंड सी चूज करोगे तो वो थर्ड से ग्रेटर होता है, और एक भी होगा। तो ये तो तुमने ऐसे किया है पहले, लेकिन ये जो चैप्टर है, इन चैप्टर में भी ऐसे देखो, जो अभी मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 करने वाला हूं, अभी बताने वाला हूं। देखो क्या कि यहां पे पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में, इज इट पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल हुज साइड्स आर 3 सेंटीमीटर, 6.1 एंड 2.6। तो चलो ये 3, ये 6.1 एंड 2.6, तो कहा गया कि इज इट पॉसिबल यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल। तो तुम सब लोग क्या कर देते हो, गलती क्या कहां होता है, अगर कंस्ट्रक्ट कहा गया ना तो इसको ध्यान रखना। अगर सिर्फ पूछा गया कि इज इट पॉसिबल तो ठीक है तुम कर लेना। अगर कंस्ट्रक्ट मींस इज इट पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट, ये कंस्ट्रक्शन जो कंस्ट्रक्ट वर्ड है ना, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर ये कंस्ट्रक्ट वर्ड रहेगा तो तुम ऐसे नहीं कर पाओगे कि 2.6 दैट इक्वल्स टू 5.6 दैट इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 6.1, तो नॉट पॉसिबल ऐसे करके लिख के आओगे ना तो मार्क्स कट जाएगा, शायद तुम्हें 0 नहीं मिलेगा, तो 4 मार्क्स में शायद 1 मार्क्स और हाफ मार्क्स मिलेगा। तो यहां पे फिर से कह रहा हूं, इज इट पॉसिबल टू कंस्ट्रक्ट, ये वर्ड है ना कंस्ट्रक्ट, मतलब तुम्हें कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हुए तुम्हें दिखाना है कि पॉसिबल है या नहीं। एक्चुअली यहां पे देखो भाई, मैथमेटिकली इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन को करते हुए हमें दिखाना है कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, ठीक है ना। तो ये नया था चीज, तो ये भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये हमेशा एग्जाम में आ जाता है और बच्चे ये गलती करके आ जाते हैं, तो बी केयरफुल। तो चलो फिर देखते हैं, अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन करके भी दिखाएंगे तुम्हें, तो लेट्स सी। So today another question over there. This is the question number 5. Now only I have told you now that be careful about this construction, because here it is told construct. If this word is used, no, so be careful. Why? See, here it is asked that is it possible to construct a triangle whose sides are this. So now only I have shown now that 3 plus 2.6 you will get 5.6. Definitely this does not get equals to greater than 6.1. That is, one condition is violated over there, it is not satisfied, so we cannot construct. But the problem is many of the students made these mistakes in the exam. Suppose this is 4 marks question, so if you did this, your marks definitely will be deducted. Definitely you will not you will not get 0, but your marks will be deducted, and maybe out of 4 you will get 1 marks or half marks, not more than that. So be careful. Again, this is the second time repeat this. So construct, this thing is given na, and that 4 marks, definitely it is not for 4 marks question if you have done this. So by you means doing construction you have to show. So there are 4 steps. Okay, so first step is what? As I always told you, remember that all of you first draw a line. So line means here I am going to draw I am going to take the longest one. So among these 3, which one is the longest one? 6.1. So we have to draw first longest line, so that is 6.1. So take the scale. So here it is. Now you have to put the compass over there, put the scale over there and take 6.1. So take the measurement properly, huh? So 6.1 is this one. Okay, so this is our 6.1, and suppose no name has been given, so I can take my own. So I am going to take xy. Okay, so let us write this is x. I am putting the line over there. This is x and that one is y. So what to do? We have to, and see, means you just do the smart work. That what is the smart work? That if it is asked na, that possible, is it possible to construct, do it rough, like 3 plus 2.6 is does not greater than 6.1. So that means not possible, you already know. But here that means if you know this na, if you know this, that means here remember you have to draw two circles at the center x and at the center y. So take the compass, and first one is given no 3 only. So 3. See student, again I have to say I can do it directly here, but how will you do? See, 3 centimeter and 2.66 centimeter now draw here separately, okay, then you can do it. Because see, I can do it here directly because it is a digital compass. Again I have to say that radius has been shown here, you can see the radius over there, but I am not going to do this because I have to. So means how will you do? Because I can do this, but if I do like this, no, you cannot understand if I do it directly, okay na? So let us do it. 3 centimeter I have to construct over here, means draw over here. Here it is 3, okay. Now next 2.6. So again the same, 2.6 means put here and 2 point. Acha, be careful here, I have to take the measurement properly. So 2 point, this is 1, that one 2, that one 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is. Got it? So this is 2.6 and that one is 2 point. Sorry, that one is 3. So let me show you first. And as I have to take every time that as a black, here it is. Can you see? Perfectly done. So what to do? I have told you now, at the center X draw a circle, because you know already that it is not possible to construct. So just draw a circle over there. Done. Now you are going to take 2.6. So there 2.987. Here it is 2.6. So put the compass here and cut it again. You can see again perfectly done. Now put at the center Y and draw another circle. Can you see that both the circles are not intersect? So now I have to say one thing student, that if two circles are not intersect, not touching also, if two circles are not intersect each other, then we can say we cannot construct, or it is not possible to construct a triangle. Got it? Again listen it carefully. If we cannot, means whenever after drawing two circles, if two circles are totally disjoint. What is disjoint? Means they are not intersecting each other, then we can say that we cannot construct, or it is not possible to construct a triangle. If they are intersecting each other, like I am going to show you a figure, rough work this is, we are not going to do in the exam. Suppose two circles are there, it is intersecting like this, okay, there is a suppose, and there is a line segment. So they are intersecting at 2 points, you can see that. So for this kind of circle, we can say it can be construct a triangle. But if the circles are like this, it is called two circles are touching each other. If like this figure, they are not touching each other, so we can say, or they are not intersecting each other, so we can say we cannot construct. If this kind of figure, still we have to say we cannot construct. But if this kind of figure, or this kind of, or that kind of, any, means two intersecting, they intersect each other, this is called intersecting point. And this is touching, because just slightly touch each other, and this is not intersecting circle. So not intersecting circle and non-touching circle, means touching circle also, not intersecting and touching circle, if it is there, you have to say we cannot construct a triangle, or it is not possible to construct a triangle. But if it is intersecting, it is possible. Understood everyone? So chalo, let me rub this. We have to write that write down here. Therefore, I'll change the color. It is not possible to construct a triangle. Okay, it is not possible to construct a triangle. Please write it down at the end. Okay, that's it. I hope you all understood. So that's it for today. I hope you all understood. Another question left over there. In my next video, I'm going to solve that one also. After that, I'm going to start worksheet 2. That's it for today.
आई होप तुम लोगों को अच्छा लगा। तो अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दो, अभी तक तुमने लाइक नहीं करा तो लाइक कर दो, और शेयर भी करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ताकि उन लोगों को भी हेल्प हो जाए। तो फिर से कह रहा हूँ, अगर अच्छा लगा ना तो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ कैसा लगा, तो फिर मैं इस टाइप का और भी वीडियो बनाऊंगा। सो तब तक के लिए ऑल ऑफ यू टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय।